Hi everyone, welcome to Delish Desserts. Today we are going to make Funfetti Cupcakes with buttercream frosting. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. I hope you enjoy. Let's get started. In a medium bowl, add 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Then add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of salt. Mix with a whisk until it is well combined. In a large bowl, add 1 1/4 cup of sugar. Then add 1 stick of melted unsalted butter. After that, add in 3 eggs, one at a time, mixing between each egg. Then mix in 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. In the egg mixture, add 1/3 of your dry ingredients and mix thoroughly. Then add 1/2 cup of buttermilk and mix again. After that, add another 1/3 of your dry ingredients and mix thoroughly. And then add the last 1/2 cup of your buttermilk. Add the last 1/3 of your dry ingredients and mix again. Scrape down the sides of the bowl to make sure all ingredients are combined. Now time for the fun part. Add in 2/3 cup of sprinkles and fold gently. Now grease and line your muffin tin. I am using these plain white muffin liners. Fill the muffin tins 3/4 of the way full with your Funfetti cupcake batter. Bake these at 350 for 15 to 20 minutes. This is how they look straight out of the oven. The recipe for the buttercream is in the description box below. I'm using a Wilton tip 1M to pipe swirls of frosting on the cupcake. These cupcakes are the finished product. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.